Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn the advantage of a Spring framework for Java. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is solving difficulties of enterprise application development. Spring is solving the difficulties of development of complex applications. It providing Spring Core, Spring IOC, and Spring AOP for integrating various components of business applications. The next one is easy integration other frameworks. Spring designed to be used with all other frameworks of Java. You can use ORM, Struts, Hibernate, and other frameworks of Java together. Spring framework do not impose any restriction on the frameworks to be used together. The third one is support enterprise application development through POJOs. Spring supports development of enterprise application development using the POJO classes, which removes the need of importing heavy enterprise container during development. This makes application testing much easier. The fourth one is application testing. Spring Container can be used to develop and run test cases outside enterprise container, which makes testing much easier. The fifth one is modularity. Spring framework is modular framework and it comes with many modules such as Spring MVC, Spring ORM, Spring JDBC, Spring Transactions, etc., which can used as per application requirement in modular fashion. The sixth one is Spring Transaction Management. Spring Transaction Management interface is very flexible. It can be configured to use local transactions in small application, which can be selected to JTA for global transactions. So that's all about some of the benefits or advantages of a Spring framework for Java developers. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.